today on Meet the Sullivans.
So if I never call you now, when me gonna know say you're not available for do the catering? I don't mind when come look at the neighbor them backyard.
Come look on the people neighbor them backyard. And what am I do over here in the dark?
Package from Amazon.
Oh.
So where it a come from? Exactly.
So this.
I like your shirt.
Yeah, more to the come and send a message, you know. If you get a man like me, I'll get a trophy husband. I could do the weekend thing, no?
See about that.
I'ma ask you something. She not call you back from the last time?
No. I don't hear from her.
How are you?
Nobody tell me, say, you have somebody call me just because you want to see me.
You blocked me on everything and refused to take my calls. Would you like Camille to know that you are here? Trevor, sit.
Before so, call Camille and tell her everything before you even call her.
Trevor was carrying your child.
I see. Yeah, I see so. You send me a package from Amazon?
Yes, I sent a gift for Camille.
So, who tell us to send gift to Camille? Eh? She did tell us that she want gift?
Yes, we had a conversation. She said she didn't want me at the wedding, so I said I will send her a gift.
But that not give you the right to send her no gift. Me know Camille. She not gonna accept that from you, you know.
We're all big people, and I thought we were friends.
Friends in what way?
Listen, I thought we have passed that.
I see. Let me tell you something. You move on with your life and go and deal with your things. And me then at my lane and deal with my things. You understand? Me have my wedding for think about and a whole heap of thing on my mind right now. Saying the cake people them and the caterer and all of them people cancel upon me. So me have that I bust my brain right now. You see me? So you just go and deal with your thing, you see me? And just avoid me.
All I do is hear you bragging about your wedding. You ever once think about how I am feeling based on the last conversation that we had? You ever think about calling and checking up on me?
Why should I do that, Nicey? When you take it upon yourself to get rid of the youth. And I like say you lose the baby by means of just natural causes.
You see me? I dash you dash it way. And furthermore, oh me I gonna know say you did really pregnant and all of that. Eh? Me can't take up them stress upon my head right now, nice. You hear me?
So your best reaction to this was to be cold and ruthless towards me?
I say, we not have nothing to discuss. You see, whatever happen, just happen. You see what me I say? You gone your way, me gone my way. It done right, so.
Okay, Mr. Sullivan. Hello. Have you discontinued your services with the Sullivans? What about the cake lady? Good. Have you found out who else they're seeking service with? Find out and let me know as soon as possible. Okay. I am going to make so much trouble for you on this wedding. You'll never believe it.